Okay, this is my canary room. 4 males, 1 male, a breeding pair. And there she is sitting on her eggs. I don't like to be filmed. Every time I come near them, they freak out. They're 4 separate cages, 7.5 feet long. And what I did, I just connected flight cages, 3 flight cages per cage. And I just took out one side and connected them to make them 7.5 feet. I just connected with cable ties. I don't think they're in a mood for singing today. They're listening to their favorite jazz station. I always leave the radio on in the background. And it goes off at night with the lights. The lights are on timers. And it comes on in the morning. It's just to have some background noise when I'm not home. He's not flying. Usually they freak out if I get this close. Each cage has 2 water dispensers along with their grit, their bathing dish, and cuddle bowl. This one has 3 water dispensers because there's 2 of them in there. And I put a lot more grit in here because the females always in the grit. Getting all the bits of eggshell that I crush and mix in there. Just trying to get as much calcium as she can. Birds by themselves are all males. I've tried to keep them together, but they fight too much. And they each have their own light, fluorescent light on top. It's a 4-foot light strip with 2 bulbs. Now I try to place a perch at the top so they have the most distance for flying. There's a perch in the back over there. And there. They're just plastic plants that I picked up at a craft store. Try to make it look as natural as possible for them. Oh, and I have some plastic tarp on the floor. That's just for easy cleanup because they're pretty messy when it comes to eating. Wall-to-wall canaries. Alright, thanks for watching.